Hello, I'm Benjamin and this is Sartorial Styles. Today we are going to unbox this little box here from London Sock Company. And this is more or less a subscription box, like you maybe already know it, like Sprezza box for example, or Me, My Suit and Tie. We're also going to unbox this subscription box today. London Sock Co. is, like the name already says, all about socks, and if you're outside the United Kingdom you get 3, 6 or 9 pairs of socks every 3 months, so every quarter. I'm pretty excited how these socks will perform. I'm pretty excited how they look, because I have never opened such a subscription box. It's the first time I received one of those, and that's why I'm very excited. This is not an in-depth review. I'm just going to look at the socks and share my first impressions with you. So let's just start with unboxing this little parcel. Sadly I don't have a second camera yet to show you how this looks from the tabletop perspective, but that will probably change in, I hope next week, but we will see. So I just try to not hurt myself and open this box. This is actually the parcel that arrived at my house, so there is nothing like another parcel around the parcel, what's mostly the case with other boxes, I know. So this is actually what arrives at your door. What surprised me quite a little bit, this is British subscription box. You see London Sock Company, but the parcel actually came out of Estonia, so probably that's the place where they produce their socks, and it seems like it's cheaper just to ship the socks from their factory to Germany and not do the way via Great Britain. Okay, so the first thing I see here is a magazine or something like that. I think I'm not going to read that right now, but it's just a magazine. And then we have this and this inside. So I hope those are actually 6 pair of socks, because I ordered 6 pairs of socks. We will see right now. It's definitely a very nice packaging. It feels very high quality. Nothing to complain. This is very nice paper, like you know probably when you buy a cake or something like that. The socks are definitely more important than the packaging, and my first impression is that they are thinner than I expected, but I actually like the material. I have to say that many people wrote on the internet that they are very satisfied by the quality of the socks from London Sock Company. But the 2 most recent ratings were about, okay, I think those socks are too thin and they get holes very easily. That's something I definitely want to check out, how the durability of those socks is, but that's definitely nothing I can do in this video, so you will definitely see another more in detail video about those socks later. But just from my first impression, I think those socks look very nice. It's a very nice blue tone. For the first box I decided to order some staples, so I have mostly blue and gray socks here, because that's just what I wear the most, and maybe with the next box I'm going to choose some more extravagant pieces, but those are more like the staple colors. But let's just get back to those blue socks. I like them. I really like them. It's a very small pattern with 2 different, no, it's one blue tone and one black tone, I think. Or is it dark blue? I'm not sure, but it's a very dark blue or black. We have this London Sock Company logo here on the sock. It feels very well. It really feels very well, but we will definitely have to see how it feels when I'm wearing it, when I'm actually wearing it. But just from the first impression, it's very nice. Also, those socks, they are from their more or less classic, just one colored sock line. They have quite a lot of those, I think maybe 15 different colors or something. Those are definitely thicker than the blue socks with the little pattern on it, but they also feel very well, especially these, not stripes, but you probably know what I mean. Feel very high quality, and just from the first impression I think those socks will last longer than the thinner blue ones. They also seem to be a little bit more narrow. Colors and all those things do look and feel very nice until now, and I think I paid about 10 euros for one pair of socks, and that's quite a fair price for, yeah, half the calf socks, more or less, I would say, in very nice classical colors and patterns. Those are a little bit more light blue. They are thinner than both of those. I like that because light blue is a color you mostly wear in the summer, or most people mostly wear it in the summer. It's quite a nice pattern in my opinion. It will do a very nice job because of the white tones with a crisp white dress shirt, and this light blue is definitely, yeah, matchable with darker blue suits in my opinion, maybe with a very light blue, yeah, pocket square or something like that, or also with light blue suits, of course, maybe something made out of linen. Those are some, yeah, I think it's brown, but it could also be gray. They are, yeah, in the same pattern as the first socks we had right here. So this seems to be the, yeah, brown version of those socks. Yeah, that's why they feel exactly the same. The logo is accentuated with a very nice, yeah, turquoise color. I definitely like that. It looks very stylish. They also look and feel very nice. Also the stitching and all those things seem to be very accurate. I'm very excited how these socks will perform in real life, definitely. And then in the end we have two pairs of red, or this is more or less burgundy pairs of socks. Those are the only, yeah, a little bit playful socks I ordered with this box. So I thought these socks would go very well with a, yeah, a little bit more bold outfit, maybe paired with a, yeah, red turtleneck maybe under a blue suit or something like that. Those are very bold. It's a very, very red, and the pattern is a little bit bolder too. It's not that little, but it's more big pattern. Definitely also nice when it comes to the feeling. I really like it until now. And the last socks for today. Those are burgundy, and I think it's again exactly the same pattern that we have already seen on those socks and also on the blue ones. It's also that very, very small pattern. I don't really know how it's called. There's probably a name for it. Also a very nice color that would definitely go well with a more casual outfit, maybe with blue trousers or something like that. Very, very nice. It's a very tamed red. Like I said, it's burgundy more or less. And it's a very, very nice and subtle color. So, summing up the first box I got, my first impression is very good. I really like the patterns and the colors. Maybe you wondered a little bit why I said that I ordered those, because with most subscription services it's that you, yeah, don't know what you get. Here you have the decision on your own. If you want to be surprised by the socks you get in the certain box you will get the next, or if you want to choose them. They have a queue system on their web shop, and there you can choose from all the socks they offer, or they curate the socks for you, probably based on what you already ordered or what season we have right now. I don't really know. But for the first box I chose the option to, yeah, choose the socks myself, and maybe with the next one I'm going to let them surprise me. We will see. Yeah, if you're interested in an in-depth review about London Sock Company, I will do it then probably in 2 or 3 months when I receive the next box. Just write a comment under this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to unbox another subscription box right now. You will see this video probably next week or in 2 weeks. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.